So you finally landed that remote job or freelance client, but they're now asking for your payment details, and you're like, wait, how does this actually work? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to receive international payments in South Africa, which methods are the best, which ones to avoid, and I'm also going to do a comparison table towards the end. Hey guys, this is Beauty, and I'm back with another work from home related video. Now, first up, we have Wise. Wise, it's a platform where you get an international account that gives you local bank details in USD, euros, pound, etc. So you get account details as if you are in that country. So you go, you sign up, and then you click on wallet, you create a wallet that complements the currency you're going to be paid in. If you're going to be paid in USD, you create a USD wallet and then you get USD banking details. So it makes it easier for the company or the platform that's paying you to pay you. Clients pay you as if you are a local to them, and the advantages is that they have low conversion fees and they have fast transfers to South African bank accounts and they have transparent pricing. Also, the nicest thing is that you can hold multiple currencies. So if you use multiple platforms or if you're going to get paid with multiple currencies, you can create multiple wallets inside Wise. So you can create a USD wallet, a pound wallet, a euro wallet, and with each of those wallets, you get local banking accounts. So with a pound wallet, you get banking details as if you are in London or the UK or that place. So it's very convenient. But now the disadvantages are that not all platforms support Wise, unfortunately, and their verification process can take a few days. What Wise is best for, or who Wise is best for, it's best for freelancers with direct clients, and it's also a platform that pays via bank transfer. So if you're looking for bank transfer methods, the easiest way is Wise. Now you're wondering, how do I now get the funds into my South African bank account? Well, once the money lands in your Wise account, you can hold it in the original currency. So you can hold it in the USD, pound, or euro, or you can convert it to South African rand. When you're ready, you can simply add your South African bank account details to Wise. Then you initiate a withdrawal, and the money typically arrives in your local bank within 1 to 2 business days. You control when to convert and withdraw. So if you want, you can wait for a better exchange rate. My tip is that if you can, request USD account details and let clients pay you in dollars because you'll often get better rates. And this is how the platform looks like. You can just click here, open an account, sign up, provide your details, and then open a wallet depending on the currency you're going to be paid in. And they show you here on the right that if you're sending 1,000 euros, you get 19,396 rand. And they say never pay a hidden fee again. Banks and other providers add markups to the exchange rate to make you pay more. Well, not us, and you can see for yourself. Next up, Payoneer. Payoneer is popular for freelancers. It's mostly used by freelancers and it gives you a virtual US bank account. The advantages are that it's accepted on a lot of platforms. Many platforms use it. Fiverr, Upwork, 99 Designs, just quite a lot of them. I'm sure you're also on platforms that use Payoneer. But the disadvantages, though, are that the fees can add up. They have withdrawal fees and the currency conversion fees. Also, the exchange rate it's not always the best. What Payoneer is best for, or who it's best for, it's for people working on platforms that obviously integrate with Payoneer. And it's also best for those who want a MasterCard tied to their earnings. Now, how do you get your funds into your South African account? Once the funds arrive in your Payoneer account, you go to the withdraw section, you link your South African bank account. So you're going to need your account number and the branch code. You select the amount you want to withdraw and then you confirm. The money is then converted to South African rands and it is sent to your bank account within 2 to 5 business days. Now, it's important to note that there's a withdrawal fee plus the currency conversion. So just put that in mind. Alternatively, if you have the Payoneer MasterCard, you can spend directly from your balance or withdraw at ATMs. If possible, just request to receive payments in USD and then you can convert when the rand is weaker to maximize your earnings. And then this is how a Payoneer looks like. I'm going to leave all the links in the description and you can get them there. You can go down and just check what they say. No delays, low fees, no surprises, no trouble. We'll always be completely transparent with our fees, so there'll be no unpleasant surprises, or we hope. Next up, it's PayPal. Now, this is the one that I use. I'm familiar with this one. They have quite high fees, but I trust it and I know I'm going to always get my money when I use it. Now, anyway, PayPal, it's most widely known. Everybody knows it. Most people know it. Most companies know it. And most platforms use it. Now, the problem when it comes to us as South Africans is that they have limitations when it comes to transacting with them. So basically, you cannot hold your money or your funds within PayPal for more than 30 days. So when you're using PayPal, make sure that by the 30-day mark, your funds are out of your PayPal account. Otherwise, there will be implications. And yeah, but the advantage is though, almost every client knows it. It's popular, it's trusted, it's widely known, and it's honestly easy to set up. You just create an account, log in, and then when you're inside, somewhere here on the right is going to say you should link your account, your local bank account. You go there, you link it. When you do the linking, though, it's going to deduct money. So make sure that when you are linking your PayPal to your bank account, there's money inside your bank account. The money or the amount depends on the day, honestly. It can be 14 rands today, 18 rands tomorrow, but it's nothing more than 20 rands. The money is deducted to make sure that the linking is successful. Then once you've linked your bank account within PayPal, you also need to open an FNB personal profile. So PayPal works with FNB in South Africa. If you do not bank with FNB, you still need an FNB personal profile. If you guys want me to go into detail with this, I can do a separate video. You can tell me in the comments, but you're going to need an FNB profile, whether you bank with FNB or not. And then once you create that personal profile, you then going to you withdraw your money within the FNB profile, and then FNB receives the amount or the funds for you, and then it sends it to your local bank. If you bank with FNB, it's going to be very easy because it's just going to go from PayPal into your bank account directly. But if you don't bank with FNB, it first needs to go from PayPal to FNB, from FNB to Capitec, Standard Bank, or whichever bank that you use. And then the disadvantages of PayPal are that the fees can be high. The conversion fees, the withdrawal fees, the fees really can be high. Also, like I said, there are limited functions for South African users. They limit accounts, how much money you can hold with when you're first starting and how much you can send, all of that. There are a lot of limitations. But who it's best for or what is best for? Once-off payments from clients who only use PayPal, and for small transactions, it makes sense for small transactions. And in order to get money into your local bank account, you're going to have to link your local account within PayPal, create an FNB online profile, and then withdraw from within FNB. It's one of the easiest ways to withdraw inside FNB. You can use PayPal as a backup because of the high fees, but as for me, I use it as my main source of a payment, a platform, because it's easier, I understand it better, and I know I'm always going to get my money. Now, next up, we have bank transfers. Now, if you want to be paid directly into your bank, you can go the bank transfer route. You're going to need your bank name, your SWIFT code. It's going to look something like this. This is the bank's SWIFT code. So it's universal for everyone. It's not your personal account SWIFT code. And if you don't know your bank's SWIFT code, you can just go to Google and search for FNB South Africa SWIFT code, Capitec South Africa SWIFT code, Standard Bank, just like that, uh, for your bank. And then you're also going to need your branch code. The branch code is now also universal. I think for Capitec it's 470010. And then you're going to need your account number and your full names. Make sure your names are identical to how they are on your bank account. So if you have a middle name and it appears on your bank account, make sure that it's also there. And then, yeah, after that, it's just how do you get it into your bank account? You provide your client or employer with all of those details, then they initiate the transfer from their bank. Then the money goes through correspondent banks and it eventually lands into your South African account. Now, when it lands into your account, your bank converts the money into South African rand and then it deposits it. This can take anywhere from 3 to 7 business days depending on the banks involved. So Capitec could take longer than Standard Bank or vice versa. Be aware that your bank may charge an incoming international transfer fee. So for your bank to receive the funds for you, it can charge you money for that. And the company that sends money to you, the bank that they use, can also charge or deduct sending fees. For larger amounts, your bank may contact you. So if you're receiving very high or large amounts, Capitec can contact you, FNB can contact you, or whatever bank you use can contact you for documentation to comply with exchange control regulations. Now, my tip is that you can ask your bank about their incoming international transfer fees before you decide if this is the route you want to take, because some banks charge more than others. Now, there are other platforms you can use, such as Grill. It's also similar to PayPal. There's also Deal. Deal is for if you're employed by a company that uses employer of record services, and they handle payments and often deposit directly to your SA account. Now, when it comes to the comparison, let's do the comparison. Now, we spoke about Wise. Wise, the fees low, speed very fast. It's fast to get your funds to your local bank account. And when it comes to withdrawal control, you choose when to withdraw. Then next, we spoke about Payoneer. It's best for freelancers. The fees are medium. The speed is medium, and you also choose when to withdraw. Now, PayPal, I put it as a backup option because of the fees. They may not be ideal for everyone. The fees are high, but it's pretty fast. You get your money very quickly in three to 5 business days. Mostly for me, it's always 3 days. So if I request a withdrawal on Monday, I know on Wednesday I'm going to get it. Now, the disadvantage is that when it comes to withdrawal, you do not control when to withdraw. You are bound to withdraw your money before it hits the 30-day mark. Then when it comes to bank transfer, it's for large payments, for salaries. Now, the speed, slow, very slow, but withdrawals is directly to the bank. Now, a quick note, if you're earning foreign income, you are bound to declare it to SARS. The rule exists around foreign employment income. I'm personally not a tax professional, so please consult one if you're earning significant amounts. But don't ignore this because it can catch up with you. Now, tell me which platform you're going to use, which one you already use, and how it is for you. If you're looking to make money without worrying about experience, or if you just want to make money from companies that are always hiring, you can click this video on the top here. If you want me to make detailed videos regarding any of these platforms, just let me know in the comments. If you have any suggestions, questions, or comments, drop them in there and we'll speak. But for me, this is it for me for today, and I'll see you in the next one.